What's up, everybody? It's Milo Manhiem here. We are in my janky kitchen, and we are going to attempt to make some Christmas Chipotle chicken tacos, which I've never done before, so let's see what happens. First things first, find your chicken. Okay, get back to me. If at any point while cubing raw pieces of chicken, you ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? This feels wrong. That's exactly it. You should be questioning yourself. You should be growing through this process. Put your chicken cubes into a bowl, and then now comes the best part, seasoning, baby. I literally eat food for the seasoning. From here on out, the rules are pretty simple. Season it as much as your heart desires, baby. I'm a big season guy, for real. Okay, this is real life. Oh, I gotta say it. This chicken actually looks pretty good. I know. Boom, now beans. Beans, done. Now we add our chicken. Mango goes really well with Chipotle, so mango salsa and Chipotle chicken tacos works for me. Oh. Come on, fam, are you serious? All right, I love you guys so much. I'm going in. Yo, I found a new dish. I'm making this all the time. It was actually very easy despite how difficult I made it look. And wow, chicken's good. All right, bye.